It's not worth it, babes. It's not freaking worth it. What's up, lovelies? Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so as you see by the title, you know what type of video we are doing today, and we are having another AliExpress try-on haul. So you know, if you don't know who I am, my name is Kimmy Brooke. I make fashion vlogs, hair, beauty, that type of content. So if you're interested in that type of content, definitely just head on over to my channel, click that subscribe button, click that like button, and turn on the bell notifications. I'm not gonna ramble on too long. A little rundown. I have my measurements down in the description box. I'll have all of the sizes and the prices on the screen. All the links that I list down in the description box are the exact links that I use. So on AliExpress, there are many different vendors and many different vendors with the same exact items as other vendors, but the same quality and things that I'm showing you is going to be linked down in the description box for you. Everything takes about 3 to 4 weeks to come in, so definitely plan ahead if you're planning for a trip, or if you don't mind waiting, this is a perfect site for you for cheap items. Alright, y'all, let's just get right into the video. So as you guys know, I work with Dossier. I used to pronounce it Dossier, but my mom corrected me. They have now sponsored your girl, so thanks to y'all. So I'm gonna be showing you guys a little bit more about Dossier. If you know, you know, but if you're new here, hey girl, and let's talk about it. So Dossier is a luxury perfume brand. They make a lot of luxury perfumes, but at a much affordable price. This is what the box looks like. It always comes in this individual box. When you get it, it looks exactly like this. It is very minimalistic, which I absolutely love. When you open her up, this is what it looks like. It has a nice little cute quote at the top, and then as you see, there is the perfume bottle and its nice little stance. This one says iconic scents, designer qualities, no markups, which is the truth, babes. And this one is the Floriental Coconut. This smells so freaking good. It is unisex. Along with it, you get this cute little nice size perfume, travel size kits, and this is really for you to test out and wear it for a couple of days to see if you actually like the scent or not. That is one thing that I love about Dossier. You get free returns up to 30 days, so if you don't like the scent for any reason, just send it back and you'll get your full refund. I know it can definitely be hard picking out scents online, but what I like to do is go on YouTube and search up my favorite YouTubers and look at their perfume collection and their favorite perfumes, and all you have to do is take the names that they give you, and once you see the type of perfumes that they like, then just search them right up on Dossier, and they're going to give you a scent that is so similar but just without the retail price. So the Floral Coconut one that I just showed you, this one is inspired by the Tom Ford Soleil Blanc, and that one retails for about $250, but on Dossier you can get this for only $39, which thank you so much, Dossier, for sponsoring this section of the video. And let's get right into the video, guys. Okay guys, so the first item that I'm going to show you is the most difficult shirt that I've ever bought off AliExpress. Like, I thought this was going to be a look. I thought I was doing the dang thing with this shirt, but literally when I tell you, it took me like 30 minutes to try to tie it up. It's not worth it, babes. It's not freaking worth it. But it looks so cute, and I still didn't tie it exactly right in the try-on haul. It's washed out right here, but you guys will see in the try-on haul. And I did not even try it on correctly. Like, it was still wrong. The strings, I couldn't get them. I had to physically lace them up, which was so difficult. I had to use my tweezers. It was just a whole deal, because this shirt is literally so cute, but it's like literally just a piece of fabric with straps, and it does not come pre-laced. So that was just a whole type of work for me that I just did not want to do. But the concept and the idea of the shirt is definitely so bomb. I love it. It comes with the little tag on it, and I don't know what size I got this in, but like I said, it will be on the screen. It's actually not see-through. Like, the quality and the material is really good. It's just the fact that I can't tie it correctly, and it took me way too long to try to get the strings and the hoops and do this and do that. Okay y'all, so the next item that I have to show you guys is actually a jewelry piece. As you watch all of my AliExpress videos, you know I've been talking about buying more jewelry, expanding my jewelry collection. As you see, I have some jewelry on right now. It's just this super cute gold ring. It definitely reminds me of the era, but this is just what it looks like. It has this little cute flower on it. It's so bomb. It's definitely very gaudy. It's gaudy jewelry. It's just like a statement type of jewelry piece. I don't know what size I got this in, but it fits this finger on me, and it just has this cute little sun flower, but it's not smiling. I like that. It's like a straight face, and that's literally how I am all the time. Like, huh? I'm just kidding. No, I'm not. But yeah, I really like this. All right, y'all, and the next top that I have to show you is actually this basic bodysuit. I picked a lot of basics up recently just because I'm really into my more like Kim K, Aaliyah's Face, Kiara Amik, and that's really what they wear. They wear like skim stuff. They wear like nudes, blacks, browns, tans, and I really want to get into that. So it is just this super basic black tank bodysuit. It has like the little racer back kind of, I don't know if this is racer back, I don't really know what it is, but it's this type of sleeveless design, and then it has the thongs with 3 straps on them, so it is very convenient, you know, to go to the bathroom and everything. You won't have to do like a whole little hassle for that. Definitely a key feature in a bodysuit, but the material is fantastic, and I love how it is double lined on the rest area, so you do not have to wear a bra, because wearing a bra would be very difficult with this unless it's just like a strapless bra, but I love not wearing one. So this is perfect because it does have an extra layer. It cuts off after the boob section, but that's really what you need it for. So I'm super pleased with this item. It was very affordable and just a really good basic that I can wear throughout the summer. Okay, next up I have some more rings for you guys. I'm just gonna have them in my hands right now. Like, you see them, you can kind of see them on the screen, but you'll definitely see them more in the try on section. But they are just these super cute acrylic rings, and these rings are so trendy right now. Just a lot of like colorful jewelry is trending right now as well, so I just decided to pick these super cute rings up. I can't wait to style them and put them on with outfits just to dress it up and, you know, add a little bit more flavor. But it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rings. Absolutely love them. They're a variety, oops, they are a variety of pink colors, and then it's one like a nudish marble color. Also, they are adjustable, so if you need a little bit more room, they do open up a little bit, but they fit me pretty well. So okay, y'all, next up I have another pair of heels. If you watched my last AliExpress videos, I have been showing some more heels and just like a lot of different type of variety of styles that I've been showing there lately. I'm just kind of switching my style up and just like more evolving. So the next thing I have to show you are a pair of clear thong heels, and this is what they look like. When I say thong, I mean like it has like the little strap right here down the middle of the big toe. So yeah, this is what they look like. I got these in a size 39. They fit me great. They have like little cushion on them as well, but clear and nude heels, you literally can't go wrong with that. They go with every outfit, so you'll always be prepared when you put these on. I know some people think they're cheap and like kind of like pick something else, but as a starter, I'm starting off wearing heels. I think these are great because, you know, it's kind of hard to dress up heels, especially if you don't do it a lot. It is not too tall, because wearing something without like a back and it's too tall is just very uncomfortable, but these are actually pretty comfortable. Absolutely love these. Can't wait to style them up on my trips. So yeah, definitely be on the lookout for some vlogs, because I'm going on a couple of trips this summer and I'm going to vlog my little experience. All right, y'all, so the next jewelry piece that I want to show you guys is actually this silver yin yang statement ring, and this is just what it looks like. That it has like little hearts where like the dots are for the yin yang sign. It just adds a little bit of flavor, but this ring is so cute. It is pretty small, so just letting you know, it really only fits around my pinky unless I wear it kind of like stacked up like that, which is also very cute. But just FYI, it is kind of small, but I love this. It is silver and it has, of course, the black and white yin yang sign on the face of the ring. All right, moving on, I have another basic bodysuit. Nothing really much to say about this. It is just in this nude type of tan color. Again, I ordered this from the same vendor, so they came kind of like a pack, but you did order them separately. But it has, again, another set of like the layer underneath for the boob part, so you do not have to wear a bra if you don't want to, but of course if you do, that's totally fine. Again, the same thing with the straps and the thong type. But okay guys, so I have a couple more jewelry pieces to show you guys, and the first two things that I want to show you are actually these super cute belly rings, or yeah, I think that's what you call them. Stomach rings. I don't really know exactly what you call them, but this one is just a super cute what is this called? Play bunny. It is super cute play bunny one, and it just has like a little pink play bunny on it with the pink diamond rhinestone thing. But I'm not gonna try these on just because that's doing a little bit too much, but you'll see it more up close in the try on haul. And then the next one, I just have this super cute silver CC one. It just looks like this, but these are both so cute, so stunning. I got my belly button pierced a while ago, and I'm just buying some belly rings to just spice it up a little bit. I have like a snake one, and right now that I showed in my other AliExpress video, I don't remember which one, but just go check them all out so then you can find the belly ring that I have on right now. But yeah, these two were so cute and definitely super cheap. And last but not least, I have this super cute rings, and these are more acrylic rings, except these rings are actually very much thinner and just sleeker. But these are what they look like. They are in a nude type of color, in neutral colors. Stack these up. You can wear them with the other acrylic rings that I showed you before, or you can just wear these by themselves. But I love these rings. It's just going to add a little bit of jazz and spice to a very simple outfit. All right, lovelies, that was the end of this haul. I really do hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Like I always say, don't forget to check down in the description box for all the links and my measurements. Everything takes about 3 to 4 weeks to come in, so please be patient, and I will see you lovelies in the next video. Bye.